What's up, y'all? Welcome back, man. Welcome back to Underground Reactions, man. Hope you're having a good day. Hope you're having a good week so far. With that being said, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, man. Hit that notification bell as well, so y'all won't miss any more uploads. And also, with that being said, I'm back with some more Slaughterhouse, the Rise of Slaughterhouse album, featuring JOELL ORTIZ and King Crook. Song is called Floodwaters, man. Finna check it out, man. I'm gonna go through the whole album. So I'm doing it slowly but surely. But yeah, man. Hope you're having a good day. Hope you're having a good week, and let's get it. It's called Floodwaters. Let's get it, y'all. Ooh, I like that already, man.
Marvin Gaye did an album called Here My Dear, it was just right. Made the album so the royalties could be alimony for his ex-wife. This is alimony for the fans. Gangster, always give alimony for his ex-wife. This is alimony for the fans. Gangster, always give a fuck about whoever put you where you are, that's gang. Bump this while you smoking on the little West Coast. Don't spill your douce all on your retros.
Damn.
Heavy strap got me feeling like I'm wearing wet clothes. Gun all on your retros. Heavy strap got me feeling like I'm wearing wet clothes.
Damn.
Like a dick sucker in a hearing aid, it's giving death blows.
Damn, hold up. Damn.
I'm wearing wet clothes. Gun like a dick sucker in a hearing aid, it's giving death blows. Keep a peace, but I meditate just to keep the peace in a better state. I don't need the beef if it's featherweight. These frequencies help me elevate to it. Just to keep the peace in a better state. I don't need the beef if it's featherweight. These frequencies help me elevate to a different plane, like an aboriginal adolescent on a walkabout. Ghosts from my past all around. Benz pull up to 100 house. Funerals in my family this year. This is my therapy, nigga. Music always helped parent me, nigga. Apparently it took care of me, nigga.
That flow, man. Hold up. I'm loving the flow, man. Let's get it.
Ghosts from my past all around. Benz pull up to 100 house. Lot of funerals in my family this year. This is my therapy, nigga. Benz pull up to 100 house. Lot of funerals in my family this year. This is.
Wait, what do you say?
From my past all around. Benz pull up to 100 house. Lot of funerals in my family this year. This is my therapy, nigga.
Got a lot of funerals in my family this year, so this is my therapy now. Is that what you said?
Benz pull up to 100 house. Lot of funerals in my family this year. This is my therapy, nigga. Music always helped parent me, nigga. Apparently it took care of me, nigga. Haters coming at me terribly. I'ma get you Indian Cherokee. Get socked out for the heresy. I'ma rock him like I'm Eric, nigga.
Woo! Hold up.
Get you Indian Cherokee. Get socked out for the heresy. I'ma rock him like I'm Eric, nigga.
Rock him. I'm gonna rock him.
I'ma get you Indian Cherokee. Get socked out for the heresy. I'ma rock him like I'm Eric, nigga.
I'm gonna rock him. But rock him. But rock him. Rock him. R-O-C-K. And then him. H-I-M. But rock him. Come on, man. If you don't know who Rakim is, man, go look him up.
I'ma get you Indian Cherokee. Get socked out for the heresy. I'ma rock him like I'm Eric, nigga. Maybe we should just walk away like fuck slide. Both of us live another day like fuck dying. On my phone smoking Gurkhas, running plays like a wideout. My backyard is my
running plays like a wideout. By the way, I love that. I love those. I think they sound like drums. If it is drums, I'm loving it, man. I like that part, man. That part of the beat.
On my phone smoking Gurkhas, running plays like a wideout.
Right there.
My backyard is my hideout. Sometimes I just need to vibe out.
My backyard is my hideout. If you follow King Crook on Instagram, you know he always does those live videos, and he's always in his backyard. He is always most of the, not all the time, but most of the time, he does those live vids in his backyard. That's facts.
Yeah, running plays like a wideout. My backyard is my hideout. Sometimes I just need to vibe out. Hey yo, Silk, what's happening with you? What's the word? Me and Joel about to run a power play. I need you to fuck with us, man.
I got you.
My nigga, yo, hit that brother Sly on the three-way. We can't do this shit without him.
Flood waters keep rising. Guys, y'all must have beef with Poseidon. Guys live while our loved ones are dying. Tears got my real eyes realizing paradise ain't what it used to be. No, talk about it, I don't usually. Fooling myself, expecting shit to change.
Yo, this album fucking slaps, man. I'm loving this album. I'm so glad that Joel and King, man, decided to do this, man. This album has been good, man. It's been good for the fans, for all of us, you know, Slaughterhouse fans. This is what we wanted, man, and we got it.
I don't usually. Fooling myself, expecting shit to change. They still shackling us with shiny chains. Question. Who made this prison so luxurious? For us. Heaven on earth is not so dangerous. For us.
Ooh, that man,
Man, it's so
I can't stop loving that beat, man. That those drums, man, they sound so nice.
For us.
Right there.
Man, it's so heavy out here right now. I feel like the air got more weight than it's ever had.
Ooh,
Y'all don't feel that?
talk to him.
Good looking, Sly. Word. Ice melting in my drink as I sit and think like it's still happening. Kaepernick took a knee, then Derek Chauvin did as a reaction.
Kaepernick took a knee, and then what else?
As I sit and think like it's still happening. Kaepernick took a knee, then Derek Chauvin did as a reaction.
As a reaction.
I
Hold
sit and
up.
think like it's still happening. Kaepernick took a knee.
My bad, y'all.
Ice melting in my drink as I sit and think like it's still happening. Kaepernick took a knee, then Derek Chauvin did as a reaction. Time heals all wounds, huh? Why the fuck I feel like I'm still scabbing? Anxiety, PTSD, and depression forming these pill habits.
Damn.
Zombies using phone screens as a smoke screen to their real life. Subconsciously in competition with your last post, but they hit like.
Ooh,
The smoke screen to their real life. Subconsciously in competition with your last post, but they hit like. Ironically, a heart pops up, but it's no love that come with that.
damn.
Video,
Whoa, peep that, peep that.
Ironically, a heart pops up, but it's no love that come with that.
Ironically, a heart pops up, but there's no love. You know, on Instagram, you know, when you like something, it ain't like Facebook where you have options. You can either like, heart, or laugh at it. Instagram, it's got nothing but heart, just a heart. So you automatically love whatever you like. You automatically love whatever you're liking.
Last post, but they hit like. Ironically, a heart pops up, but it's no love that come with that. Twerk video, run it back. Share death post, then double tap.
Damn.
Quote, fuck is that? COVID-19 got us under mask. Give me 6 feet. Why you and double tap on a life quote? Fuck is that? COVID-19 got us under mask. Give me 6 feet. Why you coughing? 6 feet, we lower coffins. Another
Ooh, coffins. Coffin. COVID-19, coffins. Come on, man.
twerk video, run it back. Share death post, then double tap on a life quote. Fuck is that? COVID-19 got us under mask.
COVID-19 got us under masks.
Give me 6 feet. Why you coughing?
Give me 6 feet. Why you coughing? 6 feet. Doesn't a casket go 6 feet? 6 feet under? When someone gets buried, they go 6 feet deep, 6 feet apart. Ooh, I caught that, man. Come on, man. Come on. Gotta catch him.
On a life quote. Fuck is that? COVID-19 got us under mask. Give me 6 feet. Why you coughing? 6 feet, we lower coffins.
6 feet. Come on, man.
COVID-19 got us under mask. Give me 6 feet. Why you coughing? 6 feet, we lower coffins. Another lost one so often. We becoming numb, no more one-on-ones, we just run the guns. A conundrum that got me wondering if the love is done and just 8 left. I take breaths, yeah, the deep kind. Meditate with a clean mind, try to levitate and not decline. I elevate with each rhyme and demonstrate I'm in deep prime of my life. And what I write's as cold as ice, ain't got a freeze time, I'm nice. Feel like the younger me, genes strong, good dungarees. Team gone, it's just son and me, yeah, me and son, like one of these.
Damn.
K's that I bees on. Smiling, growling, just trying to stay above water on these islands, but smiling, growling, just trying to stay above water on these islands, but
Waters keep rising. It seems like God's child must have beef with Poseidon. Lives live while our loved ones are dying. These tears got my real eyes realizing paradise ain't what it used to be. No. Talk about it, I don't usually.
I don't know who that is. I know Crook said his name in the beginning, but I forgot already. But whoever that is, man, He sounds nice, man. He sounds nice on this beat.
It used to be, no. Talk about it, I don't usually feel myself expecting shit to change. They still shackling us with shiny chains. Question. Who made this prison so luxurious? For us. Now heaven on earth is not so dangerous. For us.
Yo, man, that was a banger. That was an absolute banger, bro. Floodwaters, man, go check it out. Go subscribe to JOELL ORTIZ and King Crook. If you got Instagram, go follow him on Instagram. Like I was saying, man, I don't know who that was in the chorus there, and I know King said his name in the beginning, but I forgot his name. I'm about to go do some research right now and go see what that is. But go check it out, man. Go subscribe to King Crook. Go subscribe to JOELL ORTIZ on Instagram or YouTube. Go stream this album. You will not be disappointed. First and foremost. And with that being said, if you like the video, leave a comment, share the video, smash that like button, man. Show some love to the channel. We're on the road to 1K subscribers. Let's make it happen, man. Tell your friends, tell your family about the channel, whoever you spend your time with. Spread the word about the channel. Whatever you got to do, man. The more love for the channel, the better. We are a family here at Underground Reactions. You know, you guys are like my family, man. You know, y'all make this channel work. Y'all keep this channel going. My viewers, my subscribers and viewers, and even though the viewers who aren't subscribed but still watch, I appreciate each and every one of you guys, man. Like I said, we're on the road to 1K. Let's make it happen. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.